जो यूडी भवन है उसके ऊपर एक रेस्टोरेंट कम बार का ओपनिंग हुआ था और पहले ही रात में उनके अगेंस्ट में कई कंप्लेंट्स थी। आज जो भी उनको लाइसेंस इशू किया गया था अप्रैल में, उसको तुरंत प्रभाव से कैंसिल कर दिया गया है।
The district magistrate of West District cancelled the license of Happiest bar on Tuesday with immediate effect. This decision was made after receiving multiple complaints and following demonstrations by the public, media and various political parties. Gautam Devnath, the owner of Happiest nightclub, failed to respond to the show cause notice sent by the district magistrate within the 3-day deadline.
Actually, the Happiest আর কোনো নাইট ক্লাব নয়, এটাকেই আমরা সবারকে সামনে রাখার জন্য একটা সাংবাদিক এদেরকে ডাকা হয়েছে।
এটার ভিতরে একটা বার খুলছে, এটার ভিতরে ডেইলি বড় বড় অফিসাররা অফিসাররা সামনে দিয়েও ছোট ছোট প্যান্ট পরে মায়া বেনে বার উঠবে।
The government of Tripura, after being pressurized by various political parties, media and organizations, has finally taken action against the Happiest restaurant cum bar, which was recently opened near Rabindra Bhavan in the capital on the government-owned property on top of the urban development building, where several other government department offices also located. West District Magistrate cancelled the license of Happiest bar on Tuesday with immediate effect after multiple complaints and demonstrations. Gautam Devnath, the owner of Happiest nightclub, did not reply to the show cause notice sent by District Magistrate within 3 days. Immediately after the license was cancelled, all the staff and officials of the Happiest club fled and locked the door from inside. This was witnessed when the journalists of Chini Khorang went for reporting the scene at the location and found the members of the Happiest club has locked the main door from inside. Have a look on this exclusive report from Chini Khorang on Tuesday evening.
Hello there, this is Nelson Deborma live reporting from the capital city Agartala. It's a very lovely weather today. It's quite rainy, we can say. It's about to rain. So finally, after several efforts, joint efforts by all the news channels and media houses, and with all the joint efforts from various organizations, different political parties and other student organizations has jointly protested in the capital city, across the city. They have organized a sitting demonstration. Some they have protested right in front of the Directorate of Urban Development Office. Why? Because as we have seen in a couple of weeks ago, the Happiest Hour nightclub, or so to say bar cum club, which has been recently opened in the state, there was a heavy controversy going on and several criticism has been carried out in all over the social media regarding the launches of the Happiest Hour nightclub. Why? Because there was a strong criticism from various political parties and different political leaders to opening a bar in the government-owned property. Because we can see right behind us, the Happiest Hour nightclub has been opened on top of the Directorate of Urban Development building, which is a government-owned property. So several political parties and many student organizations have raised these questions. How can the government give an approval or permission to such company to open a nightclub in such a place where there is another historic and sacred, we can say, place like Rabindra Bhavan, which has a historic, rich history with related to the places and the location. And here we can see today, finally, after the joint efforts of the district administration and with all the support from the political parties and student organization, today the district administrations and excise department has finally cancelled the license of the Happiest Hour nightclub. Recently, we have seen several chaos going on across the city over this incident. On the very first night of the opening of this Happiest Hour, there were chaos among the youngsters who came for the enjoyment out here in the Happiest Hour under the influence of alcohol. We can see the other day also there were several events where the officials of the Happiest Hour has claimed themselves that this is not a nightclub or a bar. They claim that this was just a restaurant. But with the proof given by social media and several organizations, like some social media video were being viral across all the platforms, which has been proven, and even the CCTV footage from the nightclub itself, from the Happiest Hour, was seen publicly, and that has proven that this is officially a nightclub or a bar and not a restaurant. So today, finally, the administration of the West District has officially cancelled the license, and now, right now, we are here live reporting from the location. You can see the view out there. The Happiest Hour launch has finally come to an end. According to the administration, on the night of September 6, 2025, alcohol was being served and consumed even after 11 p.m., violating license conditions. Likewise, unauthorized DJ performance and dance events were also held late into the night. And such event and such videos were leaked from their own CCTV footage, and there are people, youngsters, who came for the enjoyment on that night. They themselves, they have made a viral video on the social media, which have been proven that this was a nightclub and not a restaurant. So finally, let's see what happens in the next day, in the next hour, in the next second. We will see what the administration will take further strict actions against the Happiest Hour nightclub. So we'll see in the coming days from the administration side and from the government what are the next steps. This is the location right in the capital city of the Agartala. Here we can see the Happiest Hour nightclub established right on top of the Directorate of Urban Development Office. Below that, there is a Agartala Smart City Limited big poster is given there. And on the right side of the Urban Development Office, there is a Rabindra Bhavan auditorium, which has a rich history in our state and has a big contributions from the legendary musician S.D. Burman. According to the administration, the order stated as per section 40 clause 1 clause G of the Tripura Excise Act 1987, license number 97 issued in favor of Mr. Gautam Debnath is hereby cancelled with immediate effect.
It is worth mentioning that on the last 6 September, the launching of Happiest Hour nightclub was hosted with a grand opening with live DJ music. The Happiest Hour bar has even shared a promotional video through social media before the opening of the bar, highlighting the services and activity of the nightclub, from serving liquid to dance into live music. However, on the very first night of the launching, there was a violence and chaos in the Happiest Hours nightclub premises over some reason related to the club, which is why the police authority were forced to take action and control over the situation. Immediately after the launching of the Happiest Hour nightclub, several political parties, leaders, organizations, students and public has protested, organized a rally and held multiple press meet against the bar, and several leading newspaper and media has put serious allegations towards the Urban Development Department for renting the building, and also the government of Tripura and district administration for issuing a license to open a bar cum restaurant in the government-owned property. The Chief Minister of the state also condemned on this issue. Later, after the directives given by the CM, the West District Excise Department has issued a show-cause notice to the Happiest Hour restaurant cum bar and a mandatory reply within 3 days to submit the CCTV footage of the restaurant and other conditions applied. However, Gautam Debnath, the owner of Happiest Hour nightclub, did not reply to the show-cause notice sent by District Magistrate within 3 days, which is why West District Magistrate cancelled the license of Happiest Hour bar on Tuesday with immediate effect.
कुछ दिनों पहले जो यूडी भवन है उसके ऊपर एक रेस्टोरेंट कम बार का ओपनिंग हुआ था, और पहले ही रात में उनके अगेंस्ट में कई कंप्लेंट्स थी, मीडिया में भी कंप्लेंट्स थी और कई स्टेक होल्डर्स ने भी कंप्लेन की। उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट के इंस्ट्रक्शन पे उसमें पूरी इंक्वायरी की गई, और इंक्वायरी में पाया गया कि कई लॉज का, कई रूल्स का वायलेशन है, और वायलेशन के अगेंस्ट में उनको शोकोज़ भी किया गया, और शोकोज़ का जो रिप्लाई था और कंप्लीट हियरिंग की गई उसमें पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और साथ ही साथ जो उनके संचालक थे सबका इंक्वायरी की गई। और इंक्वायरी में भी हमने जो वीडियो फुटेज देखी है और जो अरेंजमेंट हमने रूल्स रेगुलेशंस का पूरा डिटेल एनालिसिस करी है उसमें वायलेशन मिला, और उस बेसिस पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट के ऑफिस से, माने कि मेरी ऑफिस से आज जो भी उनको लाइसेंस इशू किया गया था अप्रैल में, उसको बाय तुरंत प्रभाव से कैंसिल कर दिया गया है। तो अब किसी भी तरह का लिकर सर्व करना उस रेस्टोरेंट में वर्जित है, अलाउड नहीं है। और बाकी जो प्रोसीजर्स है, माने कि सीजर ऑफ लिकर, वो सब हम लोग प्रोसीजर कर रहे हैं और ये हमने उनको ऑलरेडी कम्युनिकेट भी कर दिया है। मैं उम्मीद करूँगा कि बाकी जो बार या लाइसेंसेस हम लोग जिन लोगों को भी इशू करते हैं, वो लाइसेंसेस के रेगुलेशंस को फॉलो करेंगे और सामाजिक परिवेश में इस सुविधा को आम आदमी को देंगे।
मतलब आगे से वो लोग, मतलब ये जो रात को जो ये जो डांस वगैरह ये सब फंक्शन जो मतलब गाने वगैरह जो भी होता था वो सब बंद हो गया।
देखिए, जो डांस का या गाने का, इस जैसे उन्होंने उस दिन डीजे बुलाया था, इसका कोई परमिशन हमारे से नहीं लिया था और ना ही किसी भी प्रशासनिक इंस्टीट्यूशन से, पुलिस वगैरह से लिया था। उसका भी हमने संज्ञान लिया है और उस बेसिस पे भी उनको शोकस किया था। और अगर फ्यूचर में भी जो रेगुलेशंस हैं ऑलरेडी उनको कम्युनिकेटेड है, वो अगर वो फॉलो नहीं करेंगे तो और भी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लिया जा सकता है।
ठीक।
The West District Magistrate and the state government now believes and hence proven that the allegation towards Happiest Hour nightclub was real and true, which is why the license was immediately cancelled and also to provide the original copy of the license, record of stock liquid and to submit the CCTV and VR box. Reported by Nelson, cameraman Salsang and Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.